I've been into BJ. I think he's really gonna like it. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, Baby Bop.
Let's take our things inside. Yeah.
Oh, that art show was lots of fun. We used all kinds of colors and shapes. And we even saw some square shapes like these. Peekaboo, I see you. Oh, but do you know what these are? This is an A, B, and C. A, B, and C are all letters of the alphabet. What can we do with these letters? Oh, we can spell a name. My name starts with a B. Oh, I think our friends in the caboose might like this B.